Hey YouTube fam, I just wanted to show you guys this toy that I got Sapphire. Just to get her used to like loud noises, because you hear that? And you see that? Yeah, she used to have a sushi toy from Petco that had the same exact sound. She loved it. She chewed it up. I had to throw it out. It was bad. It was beyond like sewable. I couldn't. And I saw this like the beginning of like when all the Christmas stuff, and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute, but not $20 cute. And I waited. It went on sale, 50% off. Go get it. Go get it. I truly recommend it. Let's see. Let's leave it for her. Maybe I shouldn't be the one holding it. Let's see what she does. The pickle has no friend. She is not fucking with it, bro. Alright, we're gonna try one more time. Come on. It's okay. Oh, see? I'm gonna leave it out in front of her crate and give her like 5-10 minutes. I know she's gonna come back and play with it. As you can see, folks, my methods. She's gonna need another day to get used to that toy. It's okay. It's okay, mamas. It's okay. You don't like the loud noise toy. It makes too much noise. I actually got her these two toys, the lamb chop and the shark. She likes the lamb chop. It's like a bigger version of the baby one she had when she was a baby. She likes this one. Sit. Good girl. Oh! She very much, you know, she sets herself. She tells you what she wants, so she don't like that pickle toy. She will one day, hopefully. Yeah, look at your teeth. The thing about Sapphire is when she gets a loud toy like that and she's like on edge about it at first, it's gonna take her a little bit to get used to it. I realize that, but I'm hoping with age that'll go away, because she does end up liking toys like that. It's just kind of like strange for her, I guess, because since she didn't have a toy like that for a while, she like got desensitized from that noise. It's desensitized? She didn't get used to the noise. She was used to it for a short period of time. She forgot about it, and now she's remembering it. And she doesn't even like when you're opening a garbage bag and you start like, you know, flaring it everywhere. Does not like that. It does not. But I'm gonna give her a couple days, see how she is, and I'll keep you guys updated with it. That's all I had, honestly. She was acting real loony with that pickle toy. Like I said, she's loony. She's loony. Oh gosh. Playing tug of war with her. Oh god. Alright, well, that wraps it up for this video. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you guys next time.